Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Peter Rassenti Large Nirvana 3.0 here with me for a quick review. This is a beautiful knife, guys. Just fantastic. It's a custom knife, really, really expensive. It has a Mokuti integral handle, just milled out from a single billet of Mokuti. Pretty thick. Look at the layers over here. Just fantastic design, very, very nice. Overall size is a little bit over 8 inches. Handle is 4.5-inch long. This is a Damasteel blade with hollow grind, very, very fine tip, beautiful action, really, really amazing sound. One of the best sounding knife ever experienced, guys. Really, really beautiful. Great grip in the hand. Fantastic fit and finish. Just spectacular. One of my favorite for sure. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.